To those who scare peace-loving people with phantoms of lost liberty, my message is this: your tactics only aid terrorists.
People who don't necessarily agree with our policies are not necessarily our enemies. I mean, without critics, then there would be no betterment. There's always something that needs to be changed.
I've seen, outside countries. My father's actually in the American military and everything like that, so I have quite a viewpoint on it. And he and I both just can't understand. I mean, he was, the U.S. Navy, and he hates the fact that people have been arrested and that they're really having such an issue with civil liberties. It's already been set out, basically.
In philosophy, you're always taught that emotions get in the way of clear thinking, that someone sees something or they saw. I mean, 9/11 was tragic. It was a very terrible event, but I think some people let their emotions get the better of them, and they make some really harsh decisions, and then they may regret in the future. Once again, in about 5 years or so, once the dust has settled.
I feel like now we've had some time, we need to start questioning what's going on. What are these policies? Things like the Patriot Act. What are the components of these? Are these really necessary? Are these constitutional? What good is this going to bring about?
I think my brother would be really, really angry if he were alive and saw all of the curtailments of liberties that have occurred in his name, essentially. They're saying, because these people have been killed, all these innocent people at the World Trade Center and the Pentagon and the Pennsylvania plane crash, we have got to take away certain parts of the Bill of Rights. We've got to detain people illegally. We've got to break all these constitutional laws. And I think he would be tremendously insulted thinking that these things were being done in his name.